If you hit subscribe and like this video, you'll get more life-changing lessons that can change your story. Don't miss out on these powerful insights. Once, there was a young man who worked in a factory. His experienced technician mentor always taught him to talk less, do more, and keep improving his skills in every corner of the factory. 10 years passed, and the mentor retired. The young man was promoted to technician and worked as diligently as he had been taught. One day, feeling frustrated, he went and sure he went stir at. I did everything you taught me. I stayed quiet, worked hard, and learned every skill in the factory. But others, with less experience, keep getting promoted while I'm still making as little as when I was an apprentice. The mentor asked, "Are you sure you've made yourself indispensable?" The young man nodded. "Yes, without a doubt." The mentor thought momentarily and said, "Take a day off. Use any reason you like. It's time to give yourself a break." The young man was puzzled but trusted his mentor. He thanked him and requested a day off. When he returned, the manager called him in. "Things didn't go well while you were gone," the manager said. "Problems came up that only you knew how to solve." Realizing his value, the manager promoted him to senior technician. The young man was overjoyed and thanked his mentor. This must be the secret to success, he thought. Whenever he felt underappreciated, he took a day off, and each time, things improved when he returned. But one day, he found himself blocked from entering the factory. He had been terminated. Shocked, the young man returned to his mentor. "Why did I lose my job?" he asked. "Didn't I follow your advice?" The mentor shook his head. "You only learned half the lesson," he said. "You were right that people notice the light only when it goes out. But you missed the second part." "The second part?" The young man realized his mistake. "What did I miss?" The mentor spoke gently. "If a light keeps going off too often, sooner or later, it gets replaced. No one wants a light that can't be relied upon," he continued. "In life, there are friends and family you take for granted. They're always there for you. What happens when they're suddenly gone? Don't wait for that moment to appreciate them. Give thanks today for the good people in your life. And yes, don't let yourself be taken for granted, but don't abandon your responsibilities because things aren't going your way. Find the balance in life, and life will reward you with balance in return." If you found value in this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Remember, a single lesson can change your path forever.